Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 9 from worksheet 2.7, which is on divide fractions. It says, Joey ate 1/4 of a pizza. If she divides the rest of the pizza into equal pieces to 1/8 pizza for her family, how many pieces will her family get? All right, so because we're talking about eighths, I thought it would be good to use a fraction circle that has eighths in it. And let's visualize having 1/4 of a piece of pizza. So that's this, right? 1/4 of the pizza, that's gone. So that means what do we have left? Well, we have this left, right? Because this is gone. This piece is gone. So let's move that out of the way so we don't get confused. And let's focus on this again. I'll move this over here. All right, so let's count how many we have left, right? We have actually this represents, by the way, if we count up how many eighths we have, this is 1/8, this is 2/8, this is 3/8, this is 4/8, this is 5/8, and this is 6/8. So we're really going to take 6/8 and we're going to divide that by this because we want equal 1/8 pizzas. Now, let's say we didn't have the pretty picture to come up with the 6/8. How might we do that? Well, we would be basically saying that if a whole pizza is 8/8 and we're taking away 1/4 from that, so let's just move that off to the side here for a moment, the whole pizza is 8/8. And if we're taking away 1/4 of a piece of pizza from that, 1/4 is equal to a certain number of eighths. To get the something, 4 times 2 would be 8, 1 times 2 would be 2, 2/8 is equal to 1/4. 8/8 minus 2/8 is 6/8. So that's where that number comes from. And now we're going to take that quantity, which is right here, and we're going to divide that into equal groups of 1/8. So this is the algorithm that we're going to be doing. Now remember, when you divide, we say to ourselves, keep, change, flip. We keep the dividend. We change division to multiplication, and we change the divisor to its reciprocal. So we use the word flip, 8/1. Let's reduce ahead of time. We can divide by 8 and get 1, divide by 8 and get 1, and if we go across, 6 times 1 is 6, 1 times 1 is 1, 6 divided by 1 equals 6. Now let's see if our picture matches that. I'm going to identify a 1/8 piece. This is a 1/8 piece. And we're just going to count how many of them we have. So there's 1. Here's the second one. Here's 3. Here's 4. Here's 5. And here's 6. So we have 6 pieces. That's our final answer.